Should we do the Jesus is alive?
Hallelujah! Have you been redeemed by the blood of the Lamb? Can I hear that? Have you been redeemed by the blood of the Lamb? Hallelujah! To the throne, no longer on our own. He came to save us and to deliver us and to heal us. He's alive, oh, he's alive, the King of glory, he's alive.